Simple ways to improve your English in 2025. Do you want to improve your English in 2025? Learning English is fun, and it can open so many doors for you. New jobs, exciting adventures, and meeting people from all over the world. In this video, we're going to explore simple and easy ways to get better at English. Whether you're just starting or already learning, these tips will help you grow step by step. So, grab a notebook and let's make English learning fun and exciting. Are you ready? Let's get started. Think in English. Thinking in English is a powerful way to improve. It means using English words in your head during your daily life. At first, it might feel strange, but with practice, it gets easier. Start with small things. When you wake up, think about your morning routine in English. For example, I am getting out of bed. I am brushing my teeth. The toothpaste is minty. When you eat, think about what you are doing. I am eating bread. The bread is soft. I like my tea hot. If you see something around you, name it in English. If you don't know the word, look it up in a dictionary. For example, if you see a flower, but you don't know its name, you can think, it is a beautiful flower. I will find the English name for it later. Practice this every day. At first, it might be hard to think in full sentences. That's okay. Start with words. Sunday bright, warm, car, red, fast. After some time, your brain will start using English naturally. You don't have to be perfect. The goal is to get used to English. The more you do it, the faster you will learn. Another way to practice is by talking to yourself in English. For example, before bed, you can say, "Today was a good day. I worked hard. I feel happy. Tomorrow will be great." This makes your thinking stronger. Remember, you don't need to think in difficult words. Use simple English. The goal is to make English a part of your thoughts. Use apps and technology. Technology makes learning English fun. There are many apps and tools that help. You can use them anytime, anywhere. One great app is Duolingo. Teaches English step by step. You can learn new words, practice grammar, and even play language games. The app gives you points for learning. This makes it feel like a game, not hard work. Another app is HelloTalk. Connects you with people who speak English. You can chat, send voice messages, or even video call. This is a fun way to practice with real people. You can also use YouTube. There are many videos for English learners. Some channels teach grammar while others help with speaking. For example, you can watch videos with subtitles. First, use your language subtitles. Then, switch to English subtitles. Finally, watch without subtitles. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant can also help. Ask them simple questions in English. For example, "What is the time? How is the weather today?" They will reply in English. This is great for listening practice. There are also games you can play on your phone. Some games teach English words. Others let you solve puzzles in English. These are fun ways to learn without feeling bored. Make a schedule to use these apps daily. For example, 10 minutes on Duolingo, 5 minutes watching a YouTube video, 10 minutes chatting on HelloTalk. Small efforts every day add up to big results. Watch and listen to English content. Watching and listening are easy ways to learn. Choose movies, TV shows, or videos in English. Start with things you like. This makes learning fun. If you are a beginner, use subtitles in your language. For example, if you watch a movie, listen to the English words but read the subtitles. This helps you connect the sounds to their meaning. Once you are comfortable, switch to English subtitles. Now you can read and listen in English. This helps you understand better. Finally, watch without subtitles. At first, you might not understand everything. That's okay. Focus on the main idea. With practice, you will improve. You can also listen to English songs. Pick a song you like and look up the lyrics. Read the lyrics as you listen. Sing along. This is a fun way to learn new words and improve pronunciation. Podcasts are another great tool. They are like radio shows, but you can listen anytime. Find podcasts for beginners. They use simple English and speak slowly. Listen while walking, cooking, or relaxing. Here's a tip. Watch children's shows or cartoons. They use simple words and clear pronunciation. For example, shows like Peppa Pig or Dora the Explorer are great for learners. Practice daily. Even 15 minutes of watching or listening can make a big difference. Practice speaking every day. Speaking is the most important part of learning English. Don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking now. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. I am making tea. I will add sugar. The tea is ready. Practice in front of a mirror. Pretend you are talking to someone. Smile and speak clearly. For example, hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Find a language partner. Use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem to talk to real people. They can help you with your mistakes. Join online English groups. Many websites offer free conversation classes. You can join Zoom calls or chat groups. If you feel shy, start small. Speak 1 or 2 sentences. For example, today is sunny. I like the weather. Over time, you can say more. Practice daily, even for 5 minutes. The more you speak, the more confident you will feel. Keep a journal. Writing is a great way to practice English. Keep a journal and write a little every day. Start with simple sentences about your day. Today I went to school. I learned new things. My teacher is kind. If you don't know a word, use a dictionary. For example, if you want to say my lunch was tasty, but you don't know the word tasty, look it up. Write it down and use it. Over time, try writing longer paragraphs. For example, today was a busy day. I went to the market with my mom. We bought fruits and vegetables. The weather was hot, so we came home quickly. Writing helps you practice grammar and spelling. It also makes you think in English. Read your journal out loud. This also helps with speaking. Simple ways to learn English in 2025. Learning English doesn't have to be hard. It just takes small steps every day. Remember, practice makes progress. And you're doing amazing. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy ways to learn English. And hey, which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your journey. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and happy learning.